What these not very convincing scientists, one of whom is wearing shorts, are doing is fitting the Porsche with a brace of what you might think are drain pipes covered in silver foil. However, as we can see in the cold light of day, this is not a drain pipe covered in silver foil. It's a rocket launcher. The idea is very simple. You're driving along, you wind the window down, lean out, open it up, load it with a rocket. We've had these specially modified with high explosive tips, and that goes in like so. Then you light the fuse using the car's cigarette lighter, close it, and away you go. So, I now have the horsepower to get away from the authorities and the firepower if it looks like they're catching up. Okay, let's test it out. Now you see here, speed camera. Normally you go past it at 41 miles an hour, it flashes, yep. Government deems that dangerous and you have to give it 60 of your pounds. However, today, we can fight back. Rocket in, fuse ready, light, close it, fire! That was so close! I want to make it absolutely plain that everything I'm doing today is legal, in my mind. Right, let's give it another go. Now, fire. Photograph this. I have exploded with pleasure. And now I had my eye in, there was no stopping me. Not anymore it isn't, and I haven't finished yet. This is a patrol car used by traffic officers. Their job is to get to the scene of an accident and close the road for as long as possible while they offer counselling and silver blankets to people whose door mirrors have been dislodged. You must have noticed every time you turn on the radio now, one of these guys has shut a motorway for no reason. Well, now it's time to fight back. This is a bigger target, that makes it easier, but it's moving, so no getting away here. I'll give you health and safety. Fire! No, damn it, missed. Right, reload, quick, before he gets away. Fire! Damn it! The stick just came back then, I nearly shot myself. Catching, coming from the side. Fire! Yes! Got him! He's still going, his back window's out. Reload. You're in my sights now, Womble man! Yes! Right up its bottom! Its light's gone! The light is gone! Missile lock, Fox 1! Yes! With the Shogun on fire, I reached for my final rocket to see if I could finish it off. Oh no, a bus. It would be a tragedy if I were to hit that by mistake. even though the highwayman escaped. That is quite a giggle. And now, for an even bigger one, I'm going to head to... Actually, you know what? I bet you can't guess.
Germany.